Welcome to Wizimies, on this day series. Let's get straight to business and see what happened on the 21st of September in history. In 1792 the French National Convention voted to abolish the monarchy. It was done during the French Revolution. At this time many systems of order and measurement, including the old Christian calendar, were replaced. In 1893 Frank Duryea took the first gasoline engine in America for a test drive. It was also known as the horseless carriage. The car had a 4-horsepower, single-cylinder gasoline engine with friction transmission and spray carburetor. In 1931 Britain went off the gold standard and adopted the fiat system. The gold standard was a monetary system where a country's currency or paper money had a value directly linked to gold. A country that uses the gold standard sets a fixed price for gold. A fiat system is a monetary system in which the value of currency is not based on any physical commodity. A fiat currency is able to fluctuate dynamically against other currencies on the foreign exchange markets. The United States went off gold standard in 1933 and abandoned the remnants of the system in 1973. In 1937 J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit is published for the first time. The Hobbit is set within Tolkien's fictional universe and follows the quest of home-loving Bilbo Baggins, the titular Hobbit, to win a share of the treasure guarded by Smaug the dragon. The sequel is the well-known epic, high fantasy book, titled The Lord of the Rings. In 1942 Boeing B-29 Superfortress flies for the first time. The two B-29 planes, Enola Gay and Boxcar, were the ones that dropped atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. In 1949 communist leaders proclaimed the People's Republic of China. Communism remains the official ideology, with the Communist Party of China in full control. Since 1949, China has transformed from a traditional peasant society to the world's second largest and fastest growing economy, but all with a cost. China has since become a relatively closed country in regards to allowed international media coverage, and it is limiting people's rights more and more. In 1964 Malta gains its independence from the United Kingdom. The capital city of Malta, Valletta, is one of the most concentrated historic areas in the world. One little known fact about Valletta is that it was the first ever planned city in Europe. The Maltese still drive on the left-hand side of the road, a remnant of the British influence. In 1981 Belize gained full independence from Great Britain. Belize has the second longest barrier reef in the world, as you'd expect, thriving with marine life, from the arrow crab to the massive whale shark. In 1985 North and South Korea opened their borders for their family reunion program. In a historic exchange, 50 North Koreans born in the South and 50 South Koreans born in the North crossed the border through the demilitarized zone. Thank you for watching this episode. If you like this video please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow.